afternoon and welcome Deepu to the Retail Jeweler YouTube channel. We are discussing the IIJS virtual with you today. So what is your feel for this virtual format of the show?
I think it's a very good initiative. I think virtual, it makes a lot of sense at this time of COVID and in the last couple of months, we've changed the way we've been working in many ways. And now that it's technology has enabled that to happen. So I'm very pleased that it's going virtual. It'll instill a lot of confidence in the industry that good or bad, whatever is happening, we are still moving ahead and adapting to the new ways of working.
That's very, very nice to hear. I'm sure your team has already registered for IIJS. I was speaking to Cecil yesterday, and your purchase teams are already looking at the manufacturers and the new manufacturers as well, and existing ones. So what are the product categories that your team will be looking at for the coming IIJS season at IIJS Virtual?
Aura is known as a diamond bridal jeweler. So we're going to continue to look at bridal designs and new techniques that have happened in the design front. Always, we look at polki, we look at diamonds, we look at all of these, basically diamond-centric product. What we are seeing right now is a lot of people experimenting with the change from 18K to 14K. And also in the ring earring pendant section, we are also looking at 14K and lightweight products that, now that gold has gone up, really significantly, that this would fill in the void, basically.
And finally, Deepu, what is your view on the next 6 months of this financial year? Because we know that the first couple of months were not so good and business had stopped. So do you think that this next 6 months will be really good? And what is your advice to your fellow retailers?
The next 6 months should be good. I mean, there's a lot of pent-up demand. We're seeing, whereas the first 3 months was, practically zero. In the digital front, we've seen a lot of traction as well. And on the stores, month on month, we're catching up to our pre-COVID levels. And so we're quite bullish that, the Indian consumer is still looking to buy jewelry and try celebrate Diwali and, all the marriage seasons and everything. So I think that it's going to continue. We're quite bullish. Eventually people do need to buy. They've not been buying anything for the past 6 months. So I think it's going to be a great season. And what I feel is the best thing that we've been working very closely with our manufacturer partners and trying to understand where they're coming, what trends they're seeing, and to get a better intelligence of where the Indian consumer is going. So if we work closely with the industry and as a partnership, I think we'll all get through this in a very positive manner.
Thank you very much, Deepu, for your time. It was a pleasure talking to you, and all the best for the festive and the wedding season. And we look forward to meeting you.
Thank you very much. Happy festive season to you as well.